Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and I would like to share with you that eyesight formed based on our habits. Bad habits of poor vision or clear eyesight habits are transmitted to us through mirror neurons. This is called an imitative reflex. What does the imitative reflex mean? Take as an example, a child copies and imitates an adult, mom or dad. The little man imitates the big man. Mirror neurons can simply repeat some action after another person without even thinking. This is very useful and necessary mechanism, but as a result, it also transfers bad habits to us. And if the mother squints or watching at a screen incorrectly, her baby unconsciously through these mirror neurons, through this imitative reflex, gets the same habits. It happens that the child's eyesight is still good, it has not even deteriorated, and he's already squinting his eyes, playing with the phone while laying on the side, using a laptop for a long time without rest, and so on. A person gets habits that are transmitted as a result that he sees around him in the environment in which he lives. Based on bad vision habits, eyes form their own visual behavior and accordingly poor vision. There are many videos about bad habits of poor eyesight on my channel. Check them out. Subscribe to my channel for more benefits to your eyes.